Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the battery or cable to avoid any shorts. Next, remove the visible screws on the back with a Phillips #00. Keep them in a labeled dish so you don't lose orientation. Use a plastic spudger to pry along the seam gently because the shell snaps in, forcing it breaks clips. Once the shell is loose, lift the back plate and disconnect the ribbon cable carefully. This gives you access to buttons and internal components for inspection. You now inspect the rubber membrane and contact pads for wear or residue because grime often causes unresponsive buttons. Remove debris with 90% plus isopropyl on a cotton swab and gently clean the PCB contact areas. Alcohol evaporates fast, reducing risk to components. If the rubber dome is torn or the conductive paint is worn, replace the membrane or apply a small conductive pad. Make sure to realign tactile switches and press each button to confirm tactile feedback before moving on to reassembly. You finish by reconnecting the ribbon cable and gently snapping the shell back together, ensuring clips engage evenly so gaps don't stress the case. Reinstall the screws where they came from to preserve alignment, then power up and run the controller test in console settings to verify each button responds. If a problem remains, swap the specific button board or replace the membrane assembly. If necessary, seek a replacement part. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, flex the board slightly while testing to reveal loose solder joints or cracked traces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.